Welcome to our English learning channel. In today's video, we will be learning about the months of the year. Knowing the months is important for scheduling, birthdays, and various events. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently name and identify the different months in English. Let's get started. Let's begin by learning the months of the year. Repeat after me as I say the names of the months.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now, let's practice saying the months. Repeat after me as each month appears on the screen.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Great job so far. Let's learn a little more about the months. Did you know that some months have 30 days while others have 31? February is a special month as it has either 28 or 29 days, depending on whether it's a leap year or not. Also, some months are known for specific holidays or events. For example, December is famous for Christmas and New Year's Eve celebrations. Well done! You've learned the months of the year. Now let's define date and time in English. Year. Year is a period of 12 months, which start from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. Month. A month is a unit of time, used with calendars, a period of 4 weeks or 30 days, 31 days, one of the 12 periods into which a year is divided. Week. A week is a unit of time equal to 7 days, either from Monday to Sunday or from Sunday to Saturday. Day. A day is a period of 24 hours, from 12 o'clock one night to 12 o'clock the next night. Hour. An hour is a unit of time equal to 60 minutes. Minute. The minute is a unit of time usually equal to 60 seconds or a 60th of an hour. Second. Second is a short unit of time that is equal to a 60th of a minute. There are 60 seconds in a minute. Fantastic work! You've completed the lesson on the months. Remember to practice using them when talking about dates, birthdays, and special occasions. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.